Different electrical contractors for different needs. Electrical work is a skilled trade that requires years of practice, keeping up with the latest systems and a certification to allow contractors to install electrical systems and wire a place. Contract work cannot be undertaken by an uncertified electrician, so it's important for both professionals and clients to give it priority. Electricians are classified into three main types: line, inside and integrated building system specialists. These professionals are tasked with different jobs and undergo training specific to their line of work. Line contractors. Line contractors are tradesmen who construct, maintain and plan power transmission and distribution. Electricity, as we know it, is delivered to our homes from substations. The substations receive high voltage electricity that's basically split into lower voltages before being distributed to consumers. It's no easy task and requires well-planned and adequate infrastructure. Working with high voltage is a dangerous job, and unskilled electricians are a disaster waiting to happen to themselves, consumers and power stations. Line contractors undergo intensive training and on-the-job education to get them acquainted with electrical systems. They're also taught to work in different environments, as the job isn't restricted to power plants but distribution centers, substations and houses too. Inside contractors. Where line contractors deal with the larger aspects of electricity distribution, inside contractors work in smaller environments. Their job is no less important, however, as they're the people who set up the wiring in our homes and that of commercial and office settings. Aside from working with buildings, they also design and maintain cabling and installation of required systems. Repair work is also undertaken by them, as is troubleshooting, replacement of components like circuit breakers, telephone wiring and computer networking pre-wiring. Integrated building systems. Last on the list is integrated building systems contractors. They're the specialists who design and install wireless networks, telecommunications, security systems, energy-efficient lighting systems and other low-voltage work. Their main job is to ensure that a building's electrical system functions efficiently without consuming large amounts of power. The demand for IBS contractors is steadily rising as going green has become a trend. Rising cost of power is driving not only the average homeowner but commercial customers too to cut down power usage and use greener electrical systems. HVAC contractors. HVAC contractors are considered part of the IBS group of specialists. However, some states require contractors to have a separate HVAC license. These professionals work with HVAC systems in residential and commercial settings. They're trained to identify problems and environments that could pose a hazard to systems, such as the presence of water and moisture in close proximity. They test, install, repair and reassemble electrical components and equipments to comply with applicable standards. Now that we've listed the various types of electrical contractors, let's look at what customers should check for when hiring one. A referral is fine for small repair work, but large jobs require that contractors are members of national associations. Associations can provide the names of licensed contractors operating in certain areas. Customer testimonials should be reviewed. Good contractors won't hesitate to show you their past work and have no problems with you contacting former clients. Many contractors have websites you can check for services, products and projects. Complete contact details are also given. Free estimates and quotations may also be provided upon request. If you are searching for the finest electrical and communication solutions using proven and innovative technologies, then McKenna Services, http://www.mckennaservices.com.au, is the perfect place to be. They have a broad experience base and undertake ongoing training to ensure they are utilizing the latest developments in this rapidly evolving field. For more details, visit their website mckennaservices.com.au, http://www.mckennaservices.com.au. Article source, https://ezinarticles.com/expert/Braxton_Kermit/1495644